I will show you how to install ZOON Chrome extension. First we need to download it. As with the new version of Chrome, there is a package is invalid error, but it's not a big problem. So what we have to do, download it with another tool. I will put the link in the below description, so which you need to download this. So now I'm using wget as I use command line. Here it downloaded. So I'm opening Chrome extensions. All I have to do, drag and drop this extension to this field. I drag and drop it, and it's just here. Now I'm coming and refreshing the page, so it's done.